Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is creamy chicken thighs with green beans. This is a really great recipe that seems like it's really fancy, but it's actually really easy to make. It is creamy chicken thighs with green beans. Now this is a low carb friendly meal. It is keto friendly, paleo friendly, all the friendlies. This is gonna be a delicious recipe. Let's jump into marinating our chicken first. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can obviously have the bone in and the skin on, but this just makes it a lot easier to make and a lot quicker. So I have the boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm gonna add in my seasonings. So what I like to add is some plain Greek yogurt. You can either use Greek yogurt or Skyr. Skyr is an Icelandic yogurt. I sometimes like to use that more than Greek yogurt, but whatever you have at home will work for this. I have 3 chicken thighs, and I'll include the measurements for my seasonings down in the description below. After the yogurt, we're gonna add in all of our spices. So the first thing I'm gonna add is some dried parsley. Of course, it doesn't matter the order you go in, it's just the seasonings that we're using. We're gonna mix all these seasonings together anyway, so the order really doesn't matter. I have the dried parsley, then I'm adding some dried oregano. Onion powder. Crushed red pepper flakes. This is totally optional, but it adds a nice little kick if you like spice. Mild paprika. Black pepper. And salt. Next, we're going to grate some lemon zest. So I just like to take 1 lemon and I'm gonna grate half of a lemon. And lastly, we're gonna put some fresh pressed garlic cloves directly into our marinade. If you don't have fresh garlic, you can also use the minced garlic that's in a jar. That will work as well. I'm gonna put on a food safe glove and we're just going to combine all of these ingredients together. I wanna make sure that I get that marinade all over the chicken. Now that I have gotten that marinade all over the chicken, we're gonna cover this and let it marinate while we cook the green beans. Before we cook our green beans, I'm gonna also prep some onion and some garlic. This is gonna go in with our green beans and it's gonna make them absolutely delicious. I'm gonna take my onion and thinly slice it as thin as you can get it. With my onion, I'm also gonna have some garlic. I'm just gonna take my knife and smash the garlic. And we're just gonna do a rough chop to mince it. I'm heating a steel pan on medium-low heat, and once it's hot, I'm gonna add some avocado oil. We're gonna first cook our onions and the garlic. To my onion and garlic, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper, just a pinch. After about 2 minutes, your onions will become translucent. It's really important that you're cooking this on a medium-low heat so you're not burning the onions and the garlic. But now that it's translucent, we're ready to add our green beans. These are already rinsed and ready to cook. So they are completely dry, and we're going to add them to our pan. I'm gonna mix this in with the onions, and I'm gonna increase my heat just a little bit to medium heat. If you can do a controlled temperature, it's just under medium. It's not like fully medium-low heat, but if you can't do that, just keep it on medium-low heat. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. We're going to let our green beans cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna take a lid to cover it, and that will really allow the green beans to soften up while they're cooking. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna give this a stir. We're gonna add another pinch of salt and black pepper. And I'm also gonna add a little bit more of that mild paprika. I'm gonna cover this with the lid and we're gonna cook it again for another 2 minutes. And then you're going to take half of a lemon and squeeze it directly into the pan. The citrus really gives such a refreshing flavor to the green beans. Now that we've stirred that, we're gonna cover it again with our pan and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. After the last 3 minutes, your green beans are done. We're gonna take them out of the pan and set them aside so that we can cook our chicken. Your pan is still going to be hot. I took a paper towel and just quickly gave it a wipe down so that there's no garlic or onion left over in the pan. And I'm gonna add some more avocado oil. Once our oil is hot, you're gonna take the chicken and we're going to lay out the piece so that it's completely open and butterflied like this. You're gonna lay it away from you. Let's cover with the lid and we're gonna let this cook for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, you're going to take the chicken and flip it over. We're gonna cover it with the lid and let it cook for another 1.5 minutes. After another 1.5 minutes, take the lid off and flip your chicken over again. We're now going to increase to medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let our chicken thighs cook in the butter for another 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes on that first side, flip it over and cook it for another 2 minutes until it gets crispy. And there you have it, delicious chicken thighs with green beans. I absolutely love this dish. It is super healthy, packed with protein and vitamins. Let's get a nice little bite right here to try. Our chicken thighs are so juicy. The marinade just gives it that perfect flavor, and our green beans are nice and lemony and refreshing. You guys are absolutely gonna love this recipe. Cheers. So delicious. If you even have access to a grill, cooking these chicken thighs on the grill would be even better. I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.